Glass waste is the ideal raw material we at Van Gansewinkel Group believe. Glass is 100% recyclable, again and again, without any loss of quality. We turn it into something beautiful, time after time. At our division Malta, we sort, clean and process all types of used glass, from sheet glass, windows and mirrors for example, to hollow glass, such as these bottles, glasses and jars. We try to separate the glass cullet by colour when the glass is collected, since a clear glass bottle can only be made from clear cullet. The trick is to make used glass as pure as possible before reusing it for a second or third time, or however many times it is. Large contaminants, such as jugs and plastic bottles, are removed manually before everything is put into a large crusher and sifter. We then remove any pieces of metal, plastic and cork from the waste flow using magnets and gravity technology. Finally, using laser beams, cameras and UV technology, we detect the last tiniest contaminants, such as pieces of ceramic, porcelain or heat-proof glass. Quality controls are performed every 5 minutes. If the glass still contains too much unwanted material, the whole load goes back through the recycling process again. Only then it is time to eliminate the organic contaminants, food traces. These are simply allowed to waste away by leaving the cullet out in the open. Thanks to all these technologies, we can reduce the amount of residual material in the cullet to a minimum. For example, we can reduce the volume of stone fragments to no more than 5 grams per 1,000 kilograms of glass cullet. This means that we meet the highest standards for the glass industry. And the glass industry is happy to have our purified glass cullet. Not simply because using it significantly reduces the use of natural raw materials, such as sand and sodium carbonate, but also because melting pure used glass requires less energy than producing new glass. Recycling glass means both reduced CO2 emissions and lower costs. Nowadays, beer bottles already contain 80% used glass, and more wine bottles, liquor bottles, perfume bottles, new window panes and sheets of glass wool are also made from used glass. Like we said, glass cullet is the ideal raw material. We make something beautiful out of this. Endlessly.